Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically Facetune on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this picture right here and I'm going to just go to the Enhance tab, and if I just enabled face here, I can smooth the skin, I can delete smile lines, I can also delete the dark circles, I can also brighten her face and make her teeth whiter. She already has really white teeth. You can also go to facial beauty and you can adjust how slim you want their face to be. There's a few that you can choose, but you need the pro section, so just keep that in mind. You can adjust the size of your eyes, just the size of their nose, and you can also adjust the size of their mouth as well here. And you can also adjust the eyebrows. They need pro features for that. And here you can even add in makeup as well. They have the eyelashes one, and they also have this eyeshadow and lipstick as well here. And you can also Facetune the body, but again, this is just your preference if you want to. If you don't want to, it's fine. You can also edit lower, middle, upper of your face, I think. I'm just going to delete this one because she looks already beautiful the way she is. And I like those smile lines, so I'm just going to add in a little bit of makeup. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!